Have you ever wondered why, despite every promotion and every pay raise, your bank balance remains stubbornly the same? This is the lifestyle creep paradox. Meet Rohan. It's late evening, and he's scrolling through his banking app after a long day at work. The numbers on the screen tell a familiar story. He feels the weight of financial exhaustion. Every month is a race to the finish line, leaving him with just enough to survive until the next paycheck. Now, let's fast forward. 2 years have passed. Rohan has worked hard, climbed the corporate ladder, and secured a significantly higher salary. He's in a new place now. The walls are pristine, the furniture is designer, and the ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of success. He picks up his latest flagship smartphone. He opens the same banking app, expecting to see the fruit of his labor reflected in the numbers. But the screen reveals a shocking reality. Despite the 2 years of growth and the massive raises, the balance is exactly the same, 3,000. How did this happen? To understand, we have to look back at the moment things changed. It started with a single email on promotion day. The excitement was electric. For the first time, Rohan felt he had breathing room. He promised himself he'd save the extra 30,000 every month. But the human brain is wired to adapt. As his income grew, so did his definition of necessity. The upgrades began almost immediately. He started browsing high-end catalogs. A better sofa, a larger TV, a kitchen filled with appliances he rarely had the time to use. Then came the social upgrades, walking into upscale cafes, ordering premium coffee, and enjoying the status that came with his new lifestyle. Small payments began to accumulate. A monthly subscription here, a premium watch on credit there. Individually, they seemed manageable. Gourmet delivery bags started piling up on his kitchen counter. Convenience became his primary currency, further draining his newfound wealth. Every purchase felt like a reward for his hard work. The artificial satisfaction of acquisition provided a temporary high that kept him spending, but the golden glow eventually fades, replaced by the harsh blue light of reality. The more he earned had simply become more he owed. He looks at his salary notification again. 80,000. It looks like a lot, but as he scrolls, the automated debits tell a different story. Rent has tripled. The car payment is heavy. The subscriptions are endless. His lifestyle has grown to perfectly consume his entire income. Then life happens. A notification arrives that isn't a purchase. It's an urgent medical bill for 25,000 rupees. He checks his balance once more. Still 3,000. Despite the luxury surrounding him, he is one emergency away from financial collapse. He is trapped in a beautiful glass cage. The walls are made of his own desires and the society's expectations, and they are closing in. The weight of the stuff he owns is now owning him. This is the moment of truth. He can keep running, or he can take control. Rohan chooses to fight back. He puts his phone away, silencing the noise of digital consumption, and sits at a clean, quiet table. He takes a plain sheet of paper and a pen. No apps, no distractions. Just a clear intention to assign every rupee a home. He writes, invest first. Before the rent, before the lifestyle, his future self gets paid. He begins to break the cycle of lifestyle creep. The transformation isn't about how much he earns, it's about how much he keeps. He is no longer a slave to his next paycheck. He understands now that true wealth is the freedom to choose, not the ability to consume. The cage has been dismantled. Look at your own balance. Are you building wealth, or are you just building a more expensive cage? It's time to choose control. Build wealth, not a cage. The journey to financial freedom starts with a plan, not a promotion. Take your first step today.